A dependable welding machine is essential for metalwork, construction, and repairs, whether you're a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast. The best machines offer consistent performance, easy controls, and compatibility with various welding techniques like MIG, TIG, and stick. Here are the top 5 welding machines known for their power, durability, and user-friendly features. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Hitbox Mini Arc 200D Welding Machine. Compact yet powerful, this mini welding machine is designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced DIYers looking for reliability and convenience in one portable package. With a dual-function capability that supports both MMA and lift TIG welding, it offers flexibility for small to medium welding tasks across various metal types. Operating with a 200A output and guided by an intelligent LCD digital display, it provides clear visibility into current settings and operational alerts, making it easy to use even for those new to welding. One of the standout features of this model is its advanced Synergy chip technology. This system automatically adjusts the arc start current in relation to the thickness of the metal, simplifying the welding process and eliminating the guesswork. This ensures strong, stable arcs with less spatter and improved penetration. It's particularly useful for tasks requiring precision and consistency, such as light fabrication, metal repairs, or maintenance work around the home or garage. The ARC200D is also equipped with hot start and arc force technologies, making it easier to ignite and maintain a stable arc. It's capable of handling welding rods like E7018 and E6013, with sizes ranging from 1.0 mm to 3.2 mm. These features enhance arc performance and reduce the chance of sticking, especially useful when working with rusted or painted surfaces. It can weld material thicknesses up to 5 mm, giving it ample strength for most light-duty applications. Ease of use is at the core of this welding machine's design. From its intuitive controls to the intelligent digital display, it minimizes the learning curve while offering performance features typically found in more expensive, professional-grade models. The included 2-year warranty and 60-day satisfaction guarantee reinforce its value, providing customers with assurance and support long after purchase. Pros: lightweight, dual function, smart display, arc control. Cons: limited amperage range, no TIG torch included. Number 4. Dkland SHNB-1000S Welding Machine. Engineered for precision and durability, this weld bead processor is a specialized solution designed to enhance MIG and TIG welding outcomes, especially in stainless steel applications. Built with a focus on delivering clean, consistent finishes, it integrates seamlessly into existing Dkland systems and supports both 110 volts and 220 volts power input, providing flexibility across different work environments. Whether in a fabrication shop or on-site for industrial repairs, this machine ensures efficient and effective weld cleaning that elevates the quality of every joint. The processor is particularly optimized for MIG weld beads, making it invaluable for post-weld treatment in structural, automotive, and metalworking industries. It smooths out welds with accuracy, removing discoloration, oxidation, and residue without damaging the base material. The result is a more refined, professional appearance that meets aesthetic and structural standards. This functionality supports projects where both appearance and integrity are critical. A standout feature is its compatibility with argon arc welding setups. Designed to function in tandem with argon welders and cleaners, it ensures spotless welds with minimal user effort. The integration simplifies the post-weld cleaning process and reduces the time spent manually scrubbing or grinding surfaces. This efficiency is ideal for high-output workshops, where time and quality control are top priorities. One of the machine's practical advantages is its low-emission operation. Rated 4 is less than or equal to 105. It emits minimal volatile compounds at high temperatures, supporting a safer, cleaner work environment. This is particularly important in enclosed or poorly ventilated spaces, where traditional welding methods might expose users to fumes or contaminants. By minimizing these emissions, it aligns with modern workplace safety standards. Pros: clean weld finish, dual voltage, argon-compatible, durable build. Cons: niche application, no portability features. Number 3. Andeli MIG-270 LCD Welding Machine. Built for versatility and intelligent performance, this semi-automatic welding machine delivers a comprehensive solution for users who demand flexibility, power, and precision. Supporting MIG, flux core, lift TIG, stick, and spool gun aluminum welding, it combines 5 distinct functions into one streamlined unit. Whether you're working in fabrication, automotive repair, construction, or hobby welding, it offers both gas and gasless welding options to suit various materials and conditions. With its adaptable design and easy-to-use interface, it's engineered to meet the needs of both professionals and beginners. At the heart of the system is a smart LCD digital screen display that introduces a multi-layered interface with real-time control over essential parameters. This level of responsiveness allows users to fine-tune voltage, wire speed, and current with precision, even while in operation. The clear visuals and intuitive layout make it easy to navigate settings and transitions between modes, helping reduce setup time and increasing overall workflow efficiency. Beginners can get started quickly thanks to the simple and guided design, while seasoned welders benefit from detailed control. The MIG-270 model is powered by an advanced IGBT inverter and integrated wire feed system, allowing it to deliver stable performance at up to 250 amps. Its dual voltage capability means it can adapt automatically to available power sources, making it ideal for use in varied job sites or shop environments. The Synergy feature automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed based on wire diameter and material type, streamlining the process and reducing the learning curve. When welding aluminum, compatibility with a spool gun offers clean, efficient results. Though the spool gun is sold separately, the system's ability to handle aluminum materials sets it apart from many competitors in its class. Additionally, it includes built-in thermal and voltage protections, preventing overheating or damage from electrical surges, critical for maintaining tool longevity and user safety during demanding tasks. Pros: multifunctionality, smart display, aluminum-ready, dual voltage. Cons: spool gun extra, no TIG torch included. Number 2. Hitbox HBT250 AC/DC welding machine. Designed to deliver precise, stable performance across a wide range of welding applications, this advanced AC/DC TIG welding machine offers the perfect balance of versatility, power, and portability. With a compact footprint of 440 x 260 x 340 millimeters, it's built to travel easily to job sites while still providing the robust functionality expected in professional-grade equipment. Whether you're working in fabrication, automotive repair, or metal artistry, this welder delivers consistent results across various metals with minimal spatter and maximum control. Equipped with both AC and DC welding modes, the unit supports a wide array of materials including stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, and aluminum. This dual functionality means you can switch seamlessly between tasks, such as welding thick steel components one moment and delicate aluminum sheets the next, without changing machines. The ability to work in both AC and DC ensures flexibility across material types, expanding the welder's role from specialized tool to all-purpose solution. Built on advanced inverter technology, the machine ensures a stable arc and high duty cycle performance, reducing downtime and boosting productivity. The inverter not only enhances energy efficiency, but also improves the machine's responsiveness to rapid changes in material or current flow. This allows for cleaner welds and smoother operation, even during extended work periods. Whether performing high-frequency starts or maintaining a low amperage for thin sheet welding, the arc remains reliable and smooth. Pros: AC/DC modes, pulse control, portable design, inverter tech. Cons: no foot pedal included. Number 1, and the winner is Hzxvogen HVT250P AC/DC welding machine. Engineered for precision and performance, this 4-in-1 AC/DC pulse TIG welder offers a comprehensive solution for users who demand versatility across a wide range of welding materials. Designed with advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers a concentrated and stable arc, ensuring smooth, clean welds whether you're working with stainless steel, aluminum, carbon steel, copper, or even titanium. With a powerful 200A output and a full suite of arc control functions, this unit is well suited for both professional welders and serious hobbyists looking to tackle complex or varied welding tasks. One of its standout features is the fully adjustable pulse TIG welding system, which gives users the ability to fine-tune critical variables, including arc start current, arc stop current, welding current, base current, pulse frequency, pulse duty, as well as the times for current rise, fall, and gas delay. These controls allow for precision welding with full customization, helping achieve cleaner weld beads, better penetration, and improved surface finish, especially valuable in TIG aluminum applications where detail and appearance matter most. The high-frequency start ensures easy arc initiation, reducing contamination and making it easier to strike and maintain a stable arc, even on thinner materials. Whether you're using 2T for short welds or 4T for longer continuous runs, this machine provides smooth operation and minimal interruption. The inclusion of both AC and DC modes expands its capabilities, making it suitable for both ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Pros: full arc control, AC-DC support, stable output, material versatility. Cons: no foot pedal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.